In today's video, I am going to teach you how to replace images in GoDaddy Website Builder. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to the Websites plus Marketing section. From there, select the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor loads, navigate to the page that contains the image you want to replace. Make sure you are on the correct page before making changes so you can update the right section of your site. Now click directly on the image you want to change. This will open the image editing options for that item. Look for the button labeled Replace Image or Change Image and select it. GoDaddy will then give you options for choosing a different image. You can upload a new image from your computer, or you can select an image that is already stored in your existing media library. Choose the option that works best for you, then select the image you want to use. After that, the builder may prompt you to adjust the crop or reposition the image. If it does, take a moment to fit the image properly so it looks clean and balanced in the page layout. Once the image looks right, save the image changes. Then review the page carefully to confirm that the new image appears correctly. Check that it fits the section well and displays the way you expect. If you need to replace more than one image, repeat the same process for each additional image on your website. Go page by page if needed, and make sure each updated image is placed correctly. After you finish replacing your images, click Preview to see how the updated website looks before publishing. This is a useful final check because it lets you confirm that the images display properly across the page and match the overall design of your site. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your new images will then be visible to visitors. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.